All right. Jet feet. Oh, my finger's in the way again. Hey, quit doing that. Construction wing, man. All right.
Very professional over here.
It's one of them high budget.
It is.
High budget
We
budget.
are very high budget when it comes to video. Yeah, we don't mess around. Yeah.
What's the number one key to making good use of the ProfitDig system?
So I would say consistent usage. So if you're going to invest in a tool that could assist you with either building a business or managing it properly, it makes a lot of sense that you use it regularly, that you get familiar with it, and that you be accountable for entering the information. So with any given tool, junk in will give you junk out. So we've built a tool that if you give it good information, it will give you good information. But if you enter in junk, you're going to get junk.
All right. Thank you, Jim.